Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this leave-in conditioner. This conditioner is for both relaxed and natural hair. It is made with carefully selected natural ingredients and herbs that will help retain moisture in your hair and help with hair growth. So to get started, I'm going to start off with the guar gum and my glycerin mixture. I'm going to mix the both together. Here I have 2 grams of guar gum and 8 grams of glycerin. So I'm going to mix it. So at this point I have my distilled water. I have 110 grams of distilled water. So at this point I'm going to pour in the glycerin and guar gum mixture into the distilled water. So I'm going to mix to combine it. Then the next I'm going to add in my aloe vera gel. Below this video I will leave the link to the video on how to make this aloe vera gel. So for the aloe vera gel I have 30 grams of aloe vera gel. So I'm going to add it into this water phase. So after mixing it, I'm going to move on to my oil face. So for my oil face, I'm using olive oil. I have 20 grams of olive oil. Then I have my emulsifying wax. I have 15 grams of emulsifying wax. You can use any emulsifying wax of choice, but this is emulsifying wax I'm using for this tutorial. So I'm going to add it into the measured oil. Then the next I'm adding is cetyl alcohol. The cetyl alcohol I have here, I have 5 grams of cetyl alcohol. And I'm going to add it into the olive oil. And at this point, I'm going to put both in a pot and do a double boiling method for both. So I'm going to heat this. I'm going to place it over a low heat and allow the emulsifying wax to melt before combining the both. So at this point my emulsifying wax are completely melted, so I just poured it into the water phase and I'm going to stir immediately. And after this I'm going to move in with my emulsion blender. So I'm going to blend it until it's properly combined. So at this point, this is what it looks like. So the next I'm going to move on to my Coolant Face. And at this point, I'm adding my vitamin E oil. I have 2 grams of vitamin E oil. The next is my preservative. I'm using Liquid German Plus. It's a broad spectrum. So So I have 2 grams of my preservative as well. And I'm going to mix properly. So at this point, I'm adding my peppermint oil. I have 1 gram of peppermint oil I just added. Then the next I added is my hibiscus extract. Below I'll leave a link on how to make this hibiscus extract. So after adding this, I'm going to mix properly to combine the ingredients together. The next, I'm adding my essential oils. So feel free to add your choice of essential oils, and this is the peppermint I added earlier. At this point, I'm adding my D-panthenol. I'm using 2 grams of D-panthenol for this. So at this point, this is what our natural leave-in conditioner looks like. So I'm going to transfer it into a sterilized container. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please don't forget to use the comment section. Don't forget to like, share my videos, and see you in my next video. Bye.